If you want to search for a song on a Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is you can use the circle to search feature to find a song. So usually you can just press and hold your finger on the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation, and if you use gestures for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar also for like a second or two. Then once you have this Google's circle to search overlay, at the bottom you can tap on this music note button to start the search song feature. Now we can play, hum or sing a song to try to get the song title. So if you can hear something in the background somewhere, a song that you wish to know the title of, then you can use this feature and try to get the song title. And then you get Google search results, with the song title. Also, instead of activating circle to search, you can add the search song button to the control center or quick settings. So once you open the control center, over here you can tap on this pen. Then we're gonna scroll pretty much all the way down and try to find song search option. Then we can press and hold our finger on that tile and then drag it to this upper side to add it to the list. And there we go, here now we have the song search, and this is pretty much exactly the same thing, but it might be a more convenient way to access it for you. Leave a like and subscribe.